Hello, hello, West Seattle teachers. This is a quick video about how to make an assignment and customize it a bit. I'm going to assume you already have a Newsela account because you get one for free with the district. So log into that, and then what you're going to need to do first, obviously, is create some classes. That's pretty straightforward. You just go up here at the top right by your little icon, click Settings, and then it'll bring up the kind of settings page. You want to have classes, and you can create a new class right here. I've already created this one. I'm not going to bother to create another one. It's a simple little lead through, and the class code you're going to need is right there. So that's what you're going to need to get to the students so that they can join the class themselves. I'll have another video for how that works. But once you have your class created, then you can start assigning things to it. So I'm just going to find a cheesy article to do, and let's see what I get. There we go. I'm not sure how that has anything to do with clams, but here we go. So here's an article, and it's pretty straightforward to assign it and all that other stuff. The only quick tricks I would suggest were, one, get your extended response question done first. You do that by clicking on the activities tab here. The quiz will be automatically made, so you don't have to worry about that, and that'll be automatically graded as well. It's also different questions on the different reading levels usually, so the thing you care about is right here. And there's usually like a generic prompt that Newsela has, and sometimes they're fine, but occasionally you'll want to edit them. So in this case, I'm going to edit this question. I have a whole tab of questions and stuff like that that I use. So for instance, like this is the question I would want to use. So I'm just going to grab that, and then you just, after you click edit here, you just do that, and then you click save. And then therefore you have your prompt, which is usually better than the generic one. So that's the first thing you want to do, is set your prompt that you want. I would pre-write it and then just paste it in there just to make sure you can spell check and all the other business. So now you'll have your prompt when they take the thing. And then the other part of assigning it is obviously just click this assign button up here, assign, and that'll take you to this, and you can choose as many classes as you want. Freshman period 4 will be the one I use this with, and I don't have any students in there yet, so that's just not really that important. The other thing you're going to want to do before you click assign up here is you're going to want to put in your instructions. And again, I have like a generic set of instructions that I chuck onto all of them just to keep it simple. And I make sure to always assign both the multiple choice and the short answer questions, because that way they don't forget one time to do the short answer question. So I'm like, it's always those two things. So therefore it's easier for them to remember. And then I have that in the instructions as well. So I've chosen my classes, and you can choose more than one class if you feel like. I'm not going to bother. And everybody will get the exact same reading. They can adjust their reading level, and they'll have the prompt that you set. So click assign, and there you can see in my period 4 class that is now assigned. Nobody's viewed it, and I don't have any students yet. So that's how to create an assignment and how to kind of customize it. If you need to customize it after the fact, you can click back into it right here, go to activities, there's the write, and you can usually edit the prompt. Sometimes it's tweaky about how that works, but so it's better to get it right the first time, but then you can edit the prompt. I don't think you can do that though after the students start taking the test. All right, that's how to do it. I hope that was helpful. Thanks, bye.